Hi, my name is Thomas Isler, and with Isidora Sanchez, Maximiliano Yaluf, Tomás Quiroz, and Joaquín Gallardo, we are going to present you our final project for the exam of the course Tech and Innovation. This is Focus Flow. Master your attention on your time. Value proposition canvas. The customer profile that we have is their jobs, they achieve deep work quickly, they block distractions, and optimize productivity. The pains, constant interruptions, mental fatigue by 2 p.m., and lost time context switching. Gains, effortless flow state, measurable brain performance data, reclaiming free time. Our value map is the follower. Gain creators. We have real-time flow state dashboards and adaptive neural audio. The pain relievers are active noise cancelling plus EEG entrainment and finally a focus ward, notification blocker. The product is called Focus Flow Headband and App. We have three types of innovation. In the first place, we have product performance. We have generative biometric feedback. Unlike standard audio, our soundscapes evolve in real time based on live EEG brainwave data to maintain alpha and theta states. The second place, we have the product system. We would like to achieve an ecosystem integration. It connects with Slack and Teams. When high focus is detected, it automatically updates user status to do not disturb. Finally, we have customer engagement. We want to achieve a gamification, a flow streak system that allows users to track daily deep work minutes and compete in focus challenges with peers. Next, the strategic insight. The biohacker remote worker. The entry segment for our product is the innovators or early adopters. They already track sleep and steps. They suffer from notification fatigue and invest heavily in productivity, like using Apple Watch, smartwatches, items to increase their performance. The persona is called Alex. Alex is 32 years old. He's a senior software architect, and his behavior for completing his tasks are he uses Pomodoro, he drinks mushroom coffee, and values data over feelings. Pomodoro is a method that you spend working, for example, 1 hour and you take a rest of 15 minutes. What is his pain? His pain is that he sits down to code, he checks Slack once, and suddenly it's noon. He feels busy but unproductive. That's the main concern in a lot of software developers, engineers, and people that spend a lot of hours working intense hours of job. 40% of productive time is lost to context switching and digital interruptions. That's the main problem, that you spend the whole day at the office, but you lose a lot of time checking notification, calls, and stuff that doesn't matter for the job. Now, the stage one, the launch, the go-to-market. Our project is called the Beachhead. It is a high-performance coders and data scientist. Why? Because the high cost of interruption. 30 minutes to recover context, at least. When you get out of focus, you lose a lot of time. Then the channel. It's called Product Hunt and GitHub. The strategy. We will focus on AP integrations and raw biometric data to appeal to technical vanity. Stage two, adoption. We want to focus on key partnerships. Integration is key. We want to partner with Notion and Asana. Focus Flow data automatically logs deep work sessions into project management tools, proving work was done. The viral loop. We need social proof. The Flow Share feature allows users to export visual graph of the brainwave focus session on LinkedIn. For example, I just did 4 hours of deep work in only 2 hours. Stage 3, scaling. We want to focus on corporate wellness. The pivot is move from individual productivity to organizational health. We want to launch Focus Flow Enterprise. It's an anonymized dashboard for human resources to detect team burnout patterns before they lead to resignation. So we can scale this thing up to the business. Now, our main focus is the user experience. On the first case, we have the trigger. Alex tries to work, but is bombarded by noise and notifications. The stress rises. It only goes up from here. Second place, we have the action. Alex put on focus flow sensors and they immediately detect high beta stress waves. Then number three, the system. AI plays calming ping noise called focus word and it mutes slacks automatically. And the final number, number four, we have the value. 2 hours later, Alex finishes work early with a clear mind and a flow stats. That's our main goal. How it works? Sensing. We use EEG. The dry sensor electrodes measure technical activity in the prefrontal cortex to detect focus levels. Then we have Edge AI. Onboard chip processes neural data logically, privacy first, obviously, to classify state, distracted versus flow. Then we have the actuation. We have generative audio engine adjusts frequencies in real time to steer the brain back to focus. As a conclusion, we don't sell headphones. We sell time for you to spend more time with your family, to finish work early, and to improve your lifestyle.